of the sun.
What's up, you guys? Hope you guys are good and fine. See, I have an honest problem that I really need help for right now. I don't know if this thing happens to me alone or if it happens to every other person. I find that if I tell myself that, oh Biola, you're going to the store to get something, maybe I'm going to buy just one cup, I end up buying other stuff. You will see me buying juice, biscuits, simple things, and these things actually add up. And I'm like, is it not a problem? This is in this economy. Fine, we're spending from the wealth of heaven, you know, because that's our declaration, and you know, but one has to be wise even when you're spending from the wealth of heaven. Please, am I the only one in these shoes, or there are other people who are also in these shoes? And if you've overcome this kind of issues, what exactly did you do to overcome this kind of issues? Because I'm beginning to see it as a problem, and it's becoming embarrassing for me, to be very honest. It's becoming really embarrassing, especially with my partner. If he says he's going to buy a loaf of bread, be sure that he will come back home with a loaf of bread. But for Biola, if she says she's going to buy a loaf of bread, be sure that she's coming back with a pack of egg, the loaf of bread, a pack of biscuits, a pack of milk or something. And this is so embarrassing. Please share with me in the comment section if there are things that you've done to help yourself, you know, maneuver and move out of the situation. And by the way, I said I was going to buy only chili pepper. Please let me show you what Biola bought aside the chili pepper. So Olasubomi said she was going to buy chili pepper. And your sister came back with disposable cups. I have the countertop close to me, so I'll be passing them there. Your sister came back with a pack of cups. Your sister came back with a bottle of wine. Your sister came back with a pack of Capri Sun. Just so you know, she came back with this plate for cookies and toast when she's having a cup of tea. She came back with this very cute cup from Pep & Co. Your sister came back with salt. I came back with this freezer and food bag to store biscuits when we don't finish a whole pack, just so it keeps fresh. Not just that. When I tell you there is need for deliverance, I know what I'm saying. Your sister came back with these bags for refuse. Your sister came back with color absorber. She came back with these particular cookies for herself. She came back with toilet tissue, kitchen paper. And she came back with the chili. Oh, the man just packed this for me because it just opened. This was what I was going to buy, 3 of these, but at least this is £1, £1, from all those Asian fresh vegetable and fruit stores. That's where I buy my hot chili peppers from now. My sister came back with liner, personal stuff. She came back with popcorn because I have granules in the house that I need to eat. The sister came back with Golden Morn for Gabby. She came back with more juice for Gabby. She came back with Ferrero Rocher chocolates. She came back with ginger. She came back with this plastic for packing swallow when you make it. Temu, Eba, Amala. The sister came back with more chocolates. She came back with just one mango because this was the only ripe one at the store, and that's for £1.29. And your sister came back with yam, a tuber of yam from the Asian store. Please tell me, how did we move from red chili peppers to all those things I came home with? I need deliverance. God help me. Please don't forget to share with me in the comment section if there are things that you've done. I've actually tried a lot of things, making notes, making lists precisely, being disciplined, but I feel like it's just indiscipline. But on the other hand, I am doing it from the place of, oh, if I buy it now, I don't have to go to the store to buy it tomorrow. It's as good as, oh, we need to eat bread and eggs tomorrow at home, and we have breads, we don't have eggs. When will I not go to the store to buy the eggs, you know? So that's why sometimes I try to buy in bulk, or I try to buy things whenever I see them and I remember, oh, we actually need that one, you know, or make a list. But above all, I just pray that to the glory of God, God will continue to enrich our pockets so we can have food to eat, because we spend from the currency of heaven. And then God will continue to bless us, to be a blessing to others, and to also enjoy life in peace, in good health, and in all the good stuff that God has in stock. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next slide. Stainless bottle, but it's going to it displays number here. This is what the inside looks like. I've actually used something similar to this back in Nigeria. Oh, see, it's displaying the temperature. I've used something similar to this when I was at home. I just hope it's going to retain hot water for me, like hot water. So that's a good find from Temu. Calm down. I have one other unboxing to do. This one is a fan. I think it's a cooling fan. A fan? Yeah, hold this one. Okay. It's a cooling fan that, look. Is that for you? I bought one to test first. So I think the power comes on here. Okay, that's on one. It comes here and then it does the job. Oh yeah, I think. Hold on, guys. Oh, okay. I think it's supposed to come like this. Let me try. Oh, okay. So it's supposed to cool off your neck area. This is a good find though. Mommy, if you're still sleeping on Temu, I'm coming. Hold on, I'll give you. If you're still sleeping on Temu, you better wake up. Wake up. And I think this particular cooling thing, it was sold for less than £5 or maybe £7, and it's working well. So, and it's, you know, see, it's flexible. Hold on. This is it. Give me a few minutes. I'm coming. It's flexible. It has a charging port here, and then it increases to like 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5, and then it goes off. Let me try. So I think this is a good buy. I'll be purchasing like 2 more. I'll purchase about 2 or 3 of this more, or maybe 4 safe. Okay, yeah, you want to try. So I'm going to purchase some more of that one. Let me see if it came with a charger. Okay, so it comes with this tiny USB cord. See, the number of these cords that I have in my house, I'm not exaggerating. It will be maybe about 5, because almost everything comes with this cord, and it doesn't come with a hub, but I'm okay. I have a hub that I use, like I switch and switch, so I'm just going to use that hub and it's gonna do the job. So that's my Temu find. Those are my Temu finds for the week. Those are my Temu finds for the week, and I'm so happy about it. I'm going to keep this one, and I'll buy 2 more for my parents so they can use it. The Nigerian weather is not, it's not smiling. Yeah, all right, I'll catch you guys later.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your
Well, this is the outcome of my sausage roll. So some of them actually busted open, but I'm not mad. I'm not mad at myself at all. I think I probably used a lot of butter. Yeah, because I used like what I have left from a whole pack of butter is just this one, which like quarter. So I think next time I wouldn't use a lot of butter like that. And will I use less baking powder? I didn't use a lot of baking powder, but I think it's just the butter I have to work on. It's just the butter I'll work on. I'll reduce it. Will I be making it next time? Sure, because I need to get a hang of this one. But it tastes very, very good. But the physical appearance is funny looking. Why? Look.
Does that taste good?
It tastes good, but the physical appearance is funny looking. Please ignore my dressing gown. I mean, who gets on a dressing gown in the kitchen? So today I have laundry to do, although today is Friday, but a lot of times if you get to do most of your chores like ahead of time, it makes your weekend more relaxed, if you get what I mean.
Whenever your heart is broken.
Something that is always so funny, I have an hair fryer and I bought that hair fryer to fry and fry and fry, but I realized that using the air fryer for my plantain, it comes out, you know, it comes out different. A lot of times when I'm making lunch or breakfast, or I hardly make breakfast actually, because my little one doesn't really take breakfast. She doesn't really eat in the morning, but we try to encourage her to have milk or tea, and sometimes ready with pancakes. We just try to encourage her, but quite a number of times she doesn't take it. So, but for lunch I like to make a nice lunch, especially if I'm home. And today I'm home today, so I decided to boil rice, freshly boiled rice, and then some plantain.
Like you,
colors of the sun.